On July 13th, the council held a public hearing regarding these proposed water rate increases and went through this Proposition 218 process. We counted all the protest letters. Some of you may have written and sent us a signed protest or signed a petition protesting the water rate increase. When all those came in and all of them were verified and counted, there wasn't quite enough protests submitted in order to stop the water rate increase. But a significant number were submitted, and the council took notice of that, which is why, even though legally the council could have increased water rates, they decided not to. They asked staff to go out and do 2 to 3 months of getting out in the community and holding these forums. We have a walk and talk, one more actually coming up September 29th. Those are interesting because you get to go to the public works yard behind us here and see water wells and things like that. But to do these forums, to prepare, you may have received, if you received your water bill this month and you're on the schedule cycle for this month, there's some information in your water bill. Some of you may have, you're probably here this evening because you received postcards. So we're doing a number, we're sending out written information, we're holding these forums, we're doing tours, we're doing, those of you that have signed up for e-blast, which is our email communication system, we're using all the mechanisms we have at our disposal in order to get information out and invite people to come out and ask questions and learn about the city's water system. So the council said, don't increase water rates, let's go out and talk to the community and get their input before the council returns in the fall in order to talk about where we're going to go from here. Right now, the date tentatively for the council just to have a preliminary discussion is the October 26th council meeting. And they're not going to raise rates at that meeting. They're basically going to have staff summarize everything that we've heard as we've gone around doing these forums and begin a discussion with the council regarding where do we go from here. At this point, we actually have a video to show you how your water gets from the ground and to your taps.
Residents of Sierra Madre consumed over 964 million gallons of water last year. The Public Works staff would like the public to know where that water comes from and how that water gets from the ground to your tap.
There are 4 wells in the city of Sierra Madre, plus 3, 4, 5, and 6. The objective of a well is to pump water out of the underground water source. The wells produce the water. The water then goes through the sand filters here. The sand filters will separate the sand from the water before the water goes into our filter system. Over here, the big cylinders you see is the GAC filters. What the GAC filters do is granulated activated carbon. And what the carbon does is it absorbs the VOCs in the water if there is any. Currently, we find low levels of TCE and PCE. VOCs get absorbed by the carbon, and then the water goes into our main settling basin. When it reaches the main settling basin, we'll add chlorine, and then the water is ready for distribution. The reason for putting the GAC filter system into our water was because we found VOCs in the water at higher than normal levels. The TCE and PCE maximum contaminant level is 5 parts per billion. We were finding it around that level. So we added this system here, and with the carbon filtration system, the water that reaches our distribution system has 0 TCE and PCEs in our system.
During high rainfall events, extreme events, this earthen berm that creates this catchment has washed out. And when that happens, this facility no longer operates and can no longer serve Sierra Madre or provide water to us. So this is one of the projects that we are working collaboratively with City of Arcadia and LA County Public Works to rehabilitate the earthen structure here, make it more flood resistant, if you will. And we will also at that time automate this facility so that it doesn't require someone to come out and operate it manually to open and close it.
We receive our water from the Santa Anita Dam on Chantry Road, and also from the Sierra Madre Dam in Little Santa Anita Canyon. The water you see here came to us 2 weeks ago from the Santa Anita Dam. We were receiving about 25 cubic feet per second for a 24-hour period, which will add up to about 50 acre-feet of water.
Behind me you see these Santa Anita debris dam and spreading basins. The debris dam does not currently meet the State Division of Safety of Dams seismic requirements, and therefore we cannot impound water behind this dam. One of the projects that Sierra Madre is looking at doing collaboratively with the City of Arcadia and Los Angeles County Public Works is the rehabilitation of this dam. That will allow us to capture water behind the dam and use that water for groundwater replenishment, both through replenishment on-site, replenishment at the spreading basins adjacent to it, and through a project in which we'll build a pumping system and a pipeline and actually pump the water to Sierra Madre spreading grounds. This is a key project in our effort to get more water into the ground, capture more rainwater, and use that more effectively.
What we have here is the map of the city of Sierra Madre. This gives us all the pipelines throughout the city, the reservoir locations, and the well locations for our water system. The dark dots on here are all fire hydrants, and each fire hydrant will have a pressure, and will have the gallons per minute that that fire hydrant can provide with the water main that serves the fire hydrant. Whenever we have a water leak, we can come to the map and see what date the water main was installed and what size that water main is.
The new Sierra Madre maintains over 45 miles of pipe throughout the city between our reservoirs and our customers. And portions of that water system are very old, some as old as 90 years. In front of me here is a section of pipe that we took out of East Sierra Madre Boulevard. It got a lot of notoriety for the leak that took out a whole section of street. As we look a little more closely at this is paper thin, and it's rusted out from 90 years of service. Right next to it is a repair plant. This is how we fix leaks in most cases. We only have two options: either repair these leaks with clamps or replace the pipe altogether. When staff went out to repair this leak, they put another clamp on there, and it caused another leak further down the pipe because of the compression on the pipe. At times we have pipes like this that are simply too old to repair, and that's one of the things we're dealing with over about 30% of our water system. Residents of Sierra Madre